Life isn't fair. And what they hear when we say, I wanted to make sure everything was going okay, what they hear is there's some crap happening with all of our customers, and I'm trying to see if you're involved in it, right? So, hey, I just wanted to reach out to you personally. And again, thank you for being a renter, and you're a renter with us. I just wanted to thank you, man. Anything you need from me, I love you guys. I'm so glad we could do everything. I just thought you should hear that from me, right? And then they might even reciprocate, right? With a thank you. Like if I call and say, hey, I want to make sure everything was okay, best case scenario, you're going to go, yeah, everything's okay. It's going great. But if I call you and say, man, I just really appreciate you. You're absolutely wonderful. I'm so glad this deal worked out. I'm so glad you're working with us. I know it might sound cheesy, but I was thinking about you this morning, and I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate you. Oh my gosh, I really appreciate you too. Awesome. That's so great. You couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure, what is it? If you happen to know other people like you, and again, I don't want to know their names. I don't want to know their emails. I don't want to know their phone numbers. I'm not looking for a list of people or anything, but just if you think about it when you're out and about with people like you, would you let them know how easy it was to, in your case, rent, how easy it was to rent from me, how happy you are with it, and how great the service has been? Sure. And now all of a sudden they're throwing deals your way, right? Like it's a great opportunity if you call to appreciate them and they're like, I appreciate you, and they say those magic words, thank you. Couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Like in my case, would you, if you know of any other salespeople that are struggling, that want things to be easier, I don't want to know their names. I'm not going to call them and say Sean said anything. I don't want to listen. I don't even want to know who they are. Just if you think about it, Sean, when you're hanging around with other people and they're in sales, would you let them know how easy it was to get your membership at Easton University, how great the coaching has been, and how much success that you're having with everything? And it's amazing now, Sean, over the weekend, you might be hanging out with somebody and you're gonna be like, dude, it was so easy to get on Easton University and it's really great coaching and man, it's been awesome, and my sales went up 45%. And then I got testimonials there. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here, or just simply comment with the word closer, and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.